-20 iPhone microphone. Speak.
Oh, hello guys. It's 3:42 a.m. It's early. I would usually get up at 6 a.m. to eat, but I'm hungry. I fall asleep at like 9 and then I wake up at like 3 a.m. So then I'm getting like 6 hours sleep. So I'm like, okay, my 6 hour rest is up. I'm no longer freaking tired. So now I'm going to do some poached eggs. So I'm going to put some butter in the poaching tray so that I don't have eggs sticking to the stupid bloody thing. There's breadcrumbs in the butter. So that way there's no egg sticking on the stupid thing when I poach it. Definitely breadcrumbs in the stupid butter. There's some breadcrumbs in it. Oh well. There's going to be more breadcrumbs when I make bloody toast soon. I have to use up the butter anyway because it stays fresh for a long time, but it takes a while for it to go off. I'll be back. Butter stays fresh for a while, but it goes off eventually, so I do have to use it up, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, I love sandwich press toast. It is just so nice. It is just yum. Okay, that one's done. The egg isn't coming out properly. Jesus. The egg is really not coming out of the eggshell correctly. What's wrong with it? It's not coming out. It's stuck in there. It's fully stuck. Oh, crap. Okay, I've got it out. Got it out. Put that into the other. I swap containers so when I get an egg out, I know I can not have to worry about putting the egg into the wrong container. Otherwise, it fully buggers up. And now I'm getting the eggshell open, but I'm crushing the stupid eggshell around the egg. Okay, did that. Now I'm going to put a little bit of water in each one just to make it nice and moist when it poaches. Okay, put that in the microwave. Whoops, set that up in the microwave. God, this thing doesn't sit on there properly. It does now, because I made it happen.
Door open.
Right. set that up because now it's ready to
Door
go.
closed.
Put the eggs in the bloody fridge, or I'm going to forget to do that because my brain is officially fucking buggered. I need to throw some salads out that I didn't know I even had in this fucking fridge because I don't eat the bloody things. I feel like I just don't eat anymore. I just don't eat. So then it's like, what's the point in spending $60 on food when I don't even eat it? So I spend $60 and then I end up chucking it all out because I don't eat it. Oh, I'm starting to realise how much I hate buying food because I know I don't eat. So, yeah. I don't like food. There we go, I've cleaned up the benches if I haven't even eaten. And have a bit of toast and then I'm going to have some porridge. I rarely ever eat salad anymore. I'm probably not going to buy any more salad because I don't eat it. I don't eat it. Oh God. How many more toasts can I put on there? 3, 4? Oh, I just want 2 bits of toast. What if I'm not even that hungry?
Minus 40. Pause. Stop. Button. Pause. Minus 70.
Sorry about that. I just had to set my stupid timer to go off, so it's going to pause the recording again.
Cancel. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 20. Start. High power. Microwave.
33.
2 minutes.
Pause.
20
Button.
seconds.
Speech.
The timer is going to pause the recording again, unfortunately. That's just how it's going to happen. Unfortunately, it'll just pause the recording. Because if I don't set the exact time, I can't be sure how long the toast has been cooking for, and I don't want to open up the sandwich press and like feel how the toast is, because then I get inconsistent results. Like sometimes the toast is well cooked, sometimes it's not cooked enough. So I have to have an exact time so I know each time the timer goes off, it's cooked the same way. So then if I want it cooked a bit longer, I'll add 20 seconds. If I want it less cooked, next time I take 20 seconds off the timer, kind of thing. That way I know that I'm not stuffing up my toast. So yeah, if it pauses, if the recording pauses, that's because the timer has gone off.
1 minute, 1 second remaining. Pause. Door
Now
open.
these eggs are going.
Pause.
Oh yeah.
Door closed. Continue.
Okay. Toast is cooking nicely. And I put water into the poached egg too to make sure that there's a lot of steam from the microwave. The water will get steamy around the egg.
Pause. Press again. Cancel.
Just got to turn that off because it exploded. Oh my god, that was a massive explosion. The eggs blew up. Oh fuck, the eggs blew up. I am definitely chucking out this container because I can't do poached eggs in the fucking microwave. They don't work. They do not work at all. So I'm chucking out my egg poacher because they don't work.
Pause. Stop. Repeat. Repeat. Dismiss. Button. Dismiss. Pause. Stop. Button. Stop. Pause. Button. Stop. Button.